A piece of wire was bent to form the following figure. In the figure, there are 4 circles and the line AB. 4 cm of the wire was left over. Find the length of the wire. So you have a wire. You bend it to form these 4 circles. Then you have a remainder of 4 cm. So this 4 cm very important because you have to add it in the end to find the length of the wire you had initially. Okay, so this question is a bit tricky because, well, you have 4 circles and you have to try to find the circumference of it. So this is the circumference, right? So for this question, you must understand that this will be equivalent, the circumference of all these 4 circles added up is equivalent to this one big circle, where the circumference, where the diameter is equivalent to the diameter of the 4 circles added up, the 4 smaller circles added up. So you can have much smaller circle. The circumference of all the small circles will still add up to the circumference of this one big circle, as long as the diameter match up. So you must go and see whether the diameter match up. So in this case, we just have to find out this big circle, right? The circumference of this big circle, right? So the formula from earlier, we have already made it known that circumference is just pi times d. So in this case, diameter is 28. Pi in this case is not 3.14 anymore. They want the pi to be 22/7. So times is 28. So you can simplify things. Okay, so bracket just means multiplication. If it's confusing, I will just change it to times 28. So now you can simplify things. Both are divisible by 7. So 7 divided by 7 give you 1. 28 divided by 7 give you 4. So now you have 22/1 times 4, which is 22 times 4. That gives you 88. And hence the answer is not 88 because don't forget the 4 cm you were left over with. So just take 88 plus a 4, which is 92. So answer is option 2. Okay, so when I was a student, I also have like this mistake of like not using all the numbers. So usually what I do is I highlight all the numbers. Then when I check my working, what I want to do is that I want to find out whether I have used up all the numbers. Obviously, not all numbers have to be used up, but go and find out whether you miss out certain numbers that you didn't use.